Okay, so before we do anything, I want to make sure that you understand what affiliate marketing is if you're a beginner or if you've never done affiliate marketing before. So this is how affiliate marketing works. You're going to be able to join affiliate networks or affiliate websites and find digital products or physical products to be able to promote and earn a commission whenever somebody purchases the product from you. And the best part about this is you do not have to create any products. You don't have to drop ship anything. You don't have to do any customer service or anything. The product creator handles everything for you. All you have to do is drive traffic, the affiliate offer, and earn commissions when somebody purchases that product from you. So that is essentially how affiliate marketing works in a nutshell. I'm going to go into a little bit more detail in the coming videos.